Hello everyone, my name is Goofy and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we're going to be opening wait, this is not a box, it's an envelope. Well, this should do it. Let's open it. I'll be back. Alright, so I rip off the top part, so let's see what we get. Android Max. Let's see. Sorry, I'm using only one hand for this. I don't have my tripod today. Check this out. It's a Lapel microphone for Android and iOS. So now I can use a microphone every time I record my videos. That way you can hear me better. It cost me about $16 on eBay. It took about 2 weeks to arrive. It says, you can see right there. There you go. You can also pause the video and read all the instructions over here. You got the barcode. All specifications are in here. Excuse me. There you go. Oh my God, I'm shaking. I haven't eaten any breakfast yet. It is made in China. Hello, that's my baby. And the contents. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Okay, let's take this out of here. Yeah, welcome message and basic explains. Pretty much the same that says outside in the box, but with some other details. This is how you're supposed to wear it. There you go. I'm gonna be tasting this. At Puerto Rico Comic Con later today. It comes with a small bag. It's nice. Here's an extra lapel pin. Extra foam mushroom to cover the microphone, the cable itself, and the microphone with a pin attached to it. And the thing that falls down is like an adapter. I drop it again. Seriously, I'm gonna be dropping this all day. Well, like I said, this is the adapter. I'm gonna be reviewing this Lapel microphone today at Puerto Rico Comic Con. See you there. Hey guys, it's Goofy, and we're gonna be tasting the microphone. Let's see if it's works, okay? See you soon. Testing. You should be listening me through the microphone now. I'm gonna watch this video later on to check the sound. 1, 2, 3. Testing. All right, be right back. All right, so once again, I'm not using the microphone now. You can see it right here. I hope you can hear me because I'm not using this, and I hope it works. Check it out. Alright, so as you can see, I have the microphone down here. So hope you can hear me, okay? Hello everyone. Welcome back. It's been like a week or so since Puerto Rico Comic Con. Right now I'm at my home, and hope you can hear me. It's raining outside and I have a fan going on right now. My review of this lavalier microphone for Android, and also it works for iOS. It has a adapter for it. I just plug it in to the headphone plug and it works. It's just like a plug and play, you know. I don't have to record my voice and then go over the video. I just plug it in and keep going. Yeah, I recommend this microphone. Just go directly to your phone. It works with Android and iOS. So I'm gonna be putting the link in the description below. And that's all for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and please remember to subscribe. Once again, my name is Just Goofy. Until next week, bye.